guys, here welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing about this app. It's a new app where you can actually chat with people and earn extra income. Okay, so I'm going to take you step by step how you can actually register successfully on this app, and I'm going to show you how you can actually earn extra income while using this app. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I don't guarantee earning. Any depend on your activities and your efforts on this particular app research before joining. Okay, so without wasting much of it, I'm going to go ahead and sign up on this platform. Either you sign in with your Google or you use your email, anyone you can use. Then after you sign in, it's going to bring you to this interface. They're going to ask you to choose your gender. Do not skip, choose your gender and submit it. Okay, so once you submit it, this is how you're going to be seeing the interface of the app. These people are live and there are some people are online. Okay, this is what they do, which I'm going to be showing you how you can actually earn extra income using this app. And this app is available all over the world. But first of all, you need to do this in order for you to earn. Then first of all, you need to go to a verification center. Okay, you need to go ahead and receive your check in reward. That is your tax. Okay, so you can see congrats, I have received it already. Then you need to go back. Okay, so let me just come back and click on this place. Normally verify yourself as your referencing and verification. Any message that come up here, once you reply it on time, you're gonna earn by reward by doing that. Okay, you can see if you click on credit, it's going to take you here that they're going to ask you to do your face app verification. Without doing this face app verification, face app verification, you cannot be able to earn. I'm going to go ahead and do my refacing and verification. Make sure the picture you're going to put here is your picture. Do not put a fake picture here because you're going to do face verification. Okay, so they're going to ask you to turn face, open your mouth, blah blah blah, because they're going to say a lot of things which you're going to do accurately what they tell you. That then I'm still searching for the picture I want to use for me to do my face verification. Okay, I'm still searching for the picture. Let me go and look for the picture I want to use. Then I'm going to select this picture now. But I'm thinking that this picture might be small. Okay. Because it's not, this thing is a screenshot. Now, you're going to, this is where I tell you that you need to, they're going to ask you to blink your eyes, turn your face, and make sure you follow the instruction they give you. Okay. So, okay, now they will ask you to open your mouth. Just open your mouth, then you will submit it. Okay, I think it's going to fail because it's actually wasting time. It failed. You can see, so the verification failed due to resolution of profile. Okay, the profile is too small. Then I need to go back again. Okay, if your own started failing like this, do not panic. You are going to get a verify. Okay, once you put the right picture. Now I'm going to try this picture and know if it's actually gonna work here. Then let me try this one. Let me try this one. Okay, I'm trying to look for a photo that have bigger size here, but I don't really see my picture that have bigger size. Okay, let me just scroll down more and show you something. Okay, if I'm covering some here because a lot of password that is here, which I'm going to be covering for my security reason. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and moment I want to cut it and verify it because of this. We don't want this to be long. Okay, as you can see, you have passed the verification. Then once you click continue, it's going to brought you back because you already have verified. Okay, I'm going to be covering my ID here. Okay, so now you're going to see different people that is here, people that is active. Okay, if you go back to your account, then if you click on that credit, okay, if you click on that credit, you are going to see that it's already open. But once you don't have verify your real personal verification, you cannot be able to see your withdraw option, okay, which is a lot of country is available. But if you're from Nigeria or any other Africa country, all you need to do, you need to click on others. If you click on others, there is where you're going to see your payment method like your USDT, your ePay, okay, and PayPal, okay. So that is what Africans use to withdraw. But if you're from Philippines and any other country, you can actually check your withdrawal method here on this particular app, okay, because different country with their different payment method. As you can see, the minimum of withdrawal here is $20, that is 200 credit, okay, and 100 credit is actually $1 on this particular app. If you earn 100 credit, actually $1. And now I want to share with you how you can actually go live here. And I think the live actually went live because of the recording. Okay, so for a security reason. Now, if you want to go live, what you need to do when you go live is for you to upgrade your call price. Okay, you're going to see a voice call price. Make sure you put it on your normal the way you want it. Okay, the more you upgrade by points, the more your calling price is going to increase. Okay, but make sure the first thing you need to do is for you to, once you open your live streaming, you need to upgrade your calling price. This is where you're going to earn extra income. Without upgrading your calling price, you can be able to earn. And note that once you open your live streaming and you are not seeing people, keep on streaming. Keep on streaming. You're going to be seeing people small, small. Before you know it, you are going to be receiving a call from people. Then you can earn extra income just by you doing that. Okay, this is my advice for you. And always make sure you follow their community guideline. Very, very important, because if you don't follow the community guideline, before you know it, we get banned on the live streaming and everything you have worked for will be gone. Okay, follow their official guideline. And also there is something they have on this app, Premium Life. Okay, Premium Life is once you start going live and keep on receiving credit and you level up to level 7 or 8, that is where you are going to get premium. Okay, and I don't want to talk much about premium, but I'm going to schedule more light on it. As you can see on my screen, this Premium Life, you're going to earn reward once you are enter a premium user on this particular app. And before you enter it, you need to upgrade to your level. Okay, you can see congratulations. You have, this is the congratulation. They congratulate me once you have verified your face. As you can see, welcome to Ti.Live streaming. Okay, as you can see the income policy, make sure you read their policy very well. As you can see, if you want to earn reward, please ensure your live streaming is engaging enough to viewers to watch. Okay, like from the beginning of this video, I tell you that you can earn reward on this particular app, but you need to keep your viewers engaging. Maybe you're playing music or dancing and you keep your viewers engaging. The app is going to reward you by people watching you. Okay, as you can see, no be me say it na the app. Okay, you can see if you want to earn reward, please ensure your streaming is engaging enough to keep your viewers watching. As you can see, withdrawal amount is $20. That is 200,000 credit. You can see we support multiple payment method, and your earning will arrive within 24 hours. Okay, so and though when I read the review about this particular app, some reviews as well actually confirm me that they withdraw last for 24 hours. Okay, so it depends on your country. Okay, as you can see, registered and streaming underage is silently forbidden. Okay, make sure you're from 18 years and above. Okay, so as you can see, once a user can only have one authentication only. Do not create two multiple accounts. If you create two multiple accounts, they're going to ban you here. Always make sure you follow the rules and regulation on this app. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you're my returning subscribers, thank you. If you're just coming across my channel, my name is Faith. All I do here is sharing an app where you can make money online. Okay, any app I bring it here. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys on my next video. Bye.